if we teach our students to do good math, do good English and Filipino, and good work in science, but we don't teach them to love their country, they will leave. They will leave. And so it is so important to teach yung pag-ibig sa tinubuang bayan. And we should not and cannot really leave this only to the social studies teachers. I usually give this lecture, well, my group, no, to public school teachers in high school. No? So, I will try to compress them into 30 minutes, of which I've already lost a few. I think probably the perspective we can get this morning is kung ano po yung mga problema ng ating bayan. No? Not the problems that you will read about in the newspapers, but the deeper ones.